Hey everybody, so this is another quick video on how to troubleshoot this Kenmore stackable washer dryer. It's got the washer on the bottom and the dryer up here on top. If you look right inside the dryer door, that's where you'll see the model number and the serial number. It's model number 110.88752792. So on this unit, one problem that is pretty typical that you might run into is over time, this since the way this door closes, it's got a little latch right here, and when you press that button in, that latch closes. And a lot of times, if that doesn't catch right, or if you press the button too quickly, this latch will drop really fast. And over time, this little peg right here will wear down the sensor on the inside of this little hole. So when that peg goes inside, it presses the sensor down and tells the unit that the washing machine lid is closed, which will cause the agitator and the spin cycle to start. Now, if this peg wears out the sensor and the sensor isn't being told that the lid is closed, then what will happen is maybe the agitator will start, and you'll have laundry in there, and the water will fill all the way up, and it'll seem like it's working just fine, but it won't go any further than that. It's because it's not going to start the spin cycle until it knows that the lid is shut. And so one way you can test that's really easy, is if you take a flathead screwdriver. Sometimes you can just put it in there, and if you press just a little bit further than what this peg normally presses in, it'll close the circuit and it'll tell the machine that the lid is closed. If not, you can also pull this off, and if you have a multimeter, you can use a continuity test, and when you press that sensor in, it should have continuity. So if it doesn't, then you know your sensor's bad. But that's one thing that wears out pretty quickly on these washer dryers, so it's one thing to check if you're having trouble with a Kenmore stackable unit like this. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments section below. Have a good one.